Hi. 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 Hi is informal greeting in American English language. Okay? American English language lesson. Hi is informal. Another in American English greeting more common is hello. It's more formal. Hello. 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 H or H you pronounce softly. Softly. Hello. Hi. Hello. Hi. Hello. Hi. Hello. Hi. Next greeting is question that you ask people when you meet them. How are you? How are you? How are you? Meaning you ask them how is their business, how are their things with them, what are they doing. But it's more formal. You don't always have to answer this. It's a formal greeting, essentially. How are you? 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 Faster. How are you? How are you? How are you? How are you? How are you today? How are you? How are you doing? 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 Hi, how are you? Hi, how are you doing? Hi, how are you? Hi, how are you doing? Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you doing? Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you doing? How is it going? How is it going? How is it going? Similar to how are you doing? How is it going? 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 Hi, 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 how is it going? Hey man. Hey. 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 Hey, how are you doing? Hey, how are you doing? Hey, how is it going? Hey, how is it going? Hey man, how is it going? Hey man, how is it going? Hey girl, how is it going? Hey girl, how are you doing? Hey man, how you doing today? Hey man, how you doing today? What's happening? What's happening? What is happening? What is happening? Hey, what's happening? Hey man, what's happening? Hey, what's happening? Hi, what's happening? Hi, what's happening? Hi, what's happening? Hi, what's happening? How are things? How are things? How are things with you? How are things with you? Hi, 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 how are things? Hi, how are things? Hey, how are things with you? What's up? Very informal. Use only with your friends and, close people. What's up? What's up? Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up? Hi, what's going on? 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 Hi, what is going on? What is going on? What is going on? What's going on? Hey, what's going on? Hi, what's going on?